This week we started working with a brand, and in this video I want to share with you how you can start working with brands, the value you could provide to them, and I'm going to go on screen and share how we were able to close this deal. This is going to be amazing for you if you're interested in exclusive brand deals, if you're interested in working with brands, helping them grow, whether you become the seller, the exclusive seller for that particular brand, or you end up helping them on their mission. A part of your Amazon FBA business, there's multiple ways that you could actually work with different brands, selling their products, helping them sell their products. There's multiple ways around it. So we're going to go on this screen. I'm going to share with you exactly how we did this, what we are doing right now as we've got their products inside the warehouse and they're going to be shipped to Amazon's fulfillment centers in the next day. So let's begin. So firstly, I have got the laptop up. The great thing about this is we can connect it to this big screen. Look, this screen is amazing. For those that are interested in a smart board, this is a Samsung Flip. I should just put a link in the description down below, but you can connect it to your laptop. You can write on the screen. You've got like a little pen. You've got like a pen. You can do planning, you can do mind mapping, you can do lots of different things. And we actually presented this to the owners of the brand as they came and visited us. So just a couple of things just to start here. Exclusive brand deals. This is the process of actually working exclusively with a brand, whether you are selling their items or whether you are potentially helping them grow, scale their operations. There's many different services that you can do around it. And what we did was we actually have a templated report that we presented to the brand, which covers a number of different things. So this is white hot, and it gives a little bit of a summary saying the report shares a complimentary overview of the current position on Amazon, their own website, social media, and the goal is to give value, give growth ideas, strategies on how we can increase revenue for them and working in partnership with the brand. So this covers a number of different things. We do a full review of the marketplace, their actual products on Amazon. So this is the brand on Amazon. You can see that they have multiple different listings. We have some great listings here. We've got 288 ratings, 490 ratings, some great products here. If you click onto, I'm just going to click on one of them, you can see also the listing is really, really good quality in this particular listing. But a part of the value report, you can give brands an overview of what's currently happening with their brand and how you can ultimately help them. So you can conclude this with who you are, what you do, and how you support brands scale to that next level. So this particular brand was very much interested in expanding in the UK. They want to be out in the US, they want to go out to Europe, they want to go globally, which is super, super exciting. And they're interested in a long-term working relationship. So what you want to do is provide value. Now, this has been a good couple of months in the making. They visited us, was able to present this report to them. They were able to walk away with this. This is essentially sharing one of their listings, what the current status of that listing is, recommendations on how to improve that listing, and ultimately make more sales. Then it goes onto their store. So you can see, you can click on any brand and you can click onto their store. This is how they display themselves. So you can give some value based on what they can do to improve. Start talking about social media presence, on what they can do on whether it's YouTube, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Instagram, depending on what type of brand that you're working with, which is again really, really useful, giving it different examples. And then ultimately what their website is, how their website's performing, some recommendations around the website. And what you're doing is you're providing as much value as you possibly can. You're building rapport, you are building relationship, and then it starts opening the doors if you could either work with them in some way, whether they are not on Amazon right now and you launch them onto Amazon, or whether they're on Amazon and you help optimize, you help improve, you help them scale their operations, whether it is listings, whether it's PPC, whether it is their brand growing through their own website, through their own Shopify, through their own social media profiles, really helping brands grow to that next level, which is one of the things that we have been doing, and one of the things that we spoke about, a part of Exclusive Brand Deals and the series that we have here on the YouTube channel. So just wanted to share with you a couple of ideas here. For those that are in our sort of Platinum X and our Mastermind, you'll know that we have these templated reports that you can take a copy of, you can modify yourself, you can get out there, look for brands that you could provide value to, and then ultimately, one day, you can either work with them, it might take some time, you maybe have to exchange some emails, make some phone calls, some visits. So the great thing about having a room like this, we have a good tour around the warehouse. They can see our operations. We've got this screen here where we can do presentations, and ultimately we can get their products in the door, whether we're selling them or whether you are helping them grow in their operation. So I wanted just to share a quick little like vlog, if you like. It's a little bit of a Exclusive Brand Deals video, a part of the whole series, which we're going to have the link to the series down below. How are you guys doing? Are you in Exclusive Brand Deals? Comment down below. What are you doing to reach out to brands, help brands? If you're not interested in building your own brand, and comment down below, let me know. And as always, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and as always, keep taking massive action. My name's Kev, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.